Here's a quick video about how to put refrigerant back into a system without having to turn it on and meter it in. Take your liquid, push it into your recovery machine, push it out into the system, purge it here. I already purged it. I'm gonna open it up.
I'll be back.
Yes, sir. Open this, turn it on. Keep pushing it in there. And sometimes you have to meter it in slow so the head pressure won't build up, especially on the Appion version. Through the liquid line, of course. Self-purge, start.